Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, so exercise 3B, you were 3A, any doubts anyone has? We have done that 3A.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
today
Doubts, you are supposed to take doubts. 3A, any doubts?
No, sir.
Anyone has? Please raise your hand. In 3A. Okay, you all have done it. Yes, Aditya,
sorry, sir, by mistake.
Mr. Aristan,
Sir, last one.
34th. 34th question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question 34.
Sir,
X, yeah. Prithvi, which question?
34th only.
Okay, so see
Sir,
what happened.
sir, 22nd one I have, sir.
20 seconds, okay.
I
Let's
have
see
doubt in ninth one.
9th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 34 question. So, if we group these three, can we see it? Can we write this x minus 1 by x the whole square? You'll say how? So x minus 1 by x the whole square, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. This x is gone. So what is left out? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2, which is equals to this. Correct?
Yes,
So we
sir.
can write this as x minus 1 by x the whole square. Now this part. If we take minus 3 common, what is left out? X minus 1 by x. Correct?
Yes.
3 we have taken out and minus we have taken, the sign will change. This will become plus, this will become minus. Now can you see this and this common? So what is left out? X minus 1 by x minus
3.
3. Got it?
Sir, could you just repeat it once again?
Which step you have not understood?
So the part where you got x square plus 1 by x square minus 2.
So if you write x minus 1 by x the whole square, how you can write? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into a into b. This is a minus b form.
Yes, sir.
So a is what? X square. B is what? 1 by x. So 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
So this x gets cancelled. What is left out? X square plus 1
Oh,
plus
okay,
1
okay.
by x square minus 2, which we can write it in this form. Minus 3 we have taken, this one left out. So if you take x minus 1 by x common, what is left out? X minus 1 by x, because this was square, minus 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
9th question. X plus 3 cube minus 3 x square y x plus y. So what is common in these two? X. So x common, x plus y, x plus y. So what is left out here? X plus
Can
y
I tell?
the whole square minus 3 x y. Correct? Now x plus y. This, can you write it as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3
Minus 3xy.
x plus y. x square plus y square
Minus XY.
this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Now next question is 20 seconds. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What all things you have to take common? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs are there. So what you will take common?
Sir, x cube, x
X
square.
plus 1. X minus 1.
Like x square. So
Yes, sir.
plus
X
1,
minus 1.
x square.
So you have to rearrange them.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
This one will take x. So a plus 1.
Ax
A
minus
plus 1.
a.
So Ax minus A.
Ax.
Sir,
Minus
x cube minus x square
cube
plus
minus x.
ax minus a plus x minus 1.
X cube minus x
X
square is
square.
already there. Then x square taken now.
Plus
Plus
ax
Okay.
minus a
Minus a
plus x
plus x
minus
1.
1.
So
X into x minus 1. X square into x minus 1. A into x minus 1 plus 1 into x minus 1. X square plus a plus 1.
noted. 3a, no doubts. 3b,
No, sir.
no, rest others. 3b, I think
Yes, sir.
many of you have not solved, na?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, okay, I'll take your doubt. Okay, so 3b, we did few questions na from 3b a square minus b square.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
That
sir.
day? Okay. So initial few questions, you can do it, right? Those who have not done 3b, start doing now only from question 1.
So I'm done with it. So what should I do?
Wait. Those who have not done, start doing it from question 1. Those who have done and they have doubts, that you let me know first.
Yes, sir.
And anybody who has done 3b and don't have any doubt.
Sir, me.
Aditya,
Sir,
No,
Ashish.
Ashish, you have done.
Yes, sir.
No doubts.
No, sir.
Okay. So you start exercise 3C and it is middle term splitting, class 8 you have done.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
idea?
Yes, sir.
You start doing 3C from
Sir.
question 1. Wait, one by one.
The full exercise.
You start from 1. There are 3-4 types. You do first 1 to 10 and 25, 26 question. 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 25, 26.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Sir, I have a doubt.
doubt I am taking. Wait. Hope you have written, those who had this query, you have written all these 3 solutions. Yes, doubt 3B doubts.
Yes, sir.
Question number
18th,
18th,
21st,
21st,
28th,
28th,
29th,
full list. Tell me. 29th,
then 34 and 36.
34 and 36.
And the 37, the last part. So,
Last part means what? Means 37 also. Okay.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else has any doubt apart from these questions?
Sir, 16th one.
16th one. Okay. Anything else?
Sir, no, sir. Other ones I have 18 and 21. It's written there.
18 and 21 CK. Okay. Anything else? Anyone? Aditya, your doubt is covered. Which one? Which question is your doubt?
37.
37. Okay. Okay. So these many questions, correct? I will start with 37. Everyone see very carefully. And those who are doing 3B, please, for this question also you see. So can you write this as correct?
Yes, sir.
X to the power 4 is x to the power 2. I know it. X to the power 4 I can write x to the power.
Any doubt? Stop me if you have not understood any step. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now, how can you factorize this? Anyone wants to pitch in and see x to the
Sir,
power 4
I think
plus,
x square to the power whole square plus 1 square.
tell me, yeah, go ahead. X to the, what you are saying?
X square
Okay.
to the power whole square
X square to the power whole square.
plus 1 square.
Okay, 1 square. Okay, then I'll write it 1 square. Chalo. What then?
So x square minus 1 plus 1.
I have taught you this.
Sir, plus root 2x minus root 2x.
Plus root 2x. What I have to write? Plus root 2x minus root 2x. So what it will be? It is 0. This is x to the power 4 plus 0. But this is...
Sir, I can try.
yes, that's what I'm asking you. Give a try.
Whole square.
Come again?
Sir,
Minus
should we apply the formula x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4?
Tell me.
X to the power 4 plus, yes, sir. So,
What is the formula? First tell me. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. What is the formula?
x square plus 2xy
X square plus 2xy
root 2xy, sorry,
root 2xy
plus y square,
plus y square.
a bracket close, and then another bracket,
Okay.
x square minus root 2xy
Root 2xy
plus y square.
plus y square. Okay. So this is the formula. And how you have got this formula? How you have got this formula?
Sir, my mother told me.
Oh, correct. See, this formula directly you cannot write. Reason behind I'll tell you. Because to your level they have told you x minus y the whole square. These on then a plus b plus c will come. These all things will come. But you have to derive this here. You have to derive this. In this question, you have to derive this. That is the question. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? This you have to derive. I told you one thing. You can write it. Can you write it? And now what you have to subtract? Can you make it this way and do some subtraction and find it out?
Yeah.
Can you give a try?
Sir, the middle term is 2x square, so we should subtract 2x square.
So you do it. Give a try. Just give a try.
Sir, x to the power 4 plus 2x square
X to the power 4 plus 2x square
plus 1 square
at 1.
minus 2x square.
Okay. Now, you're almost there. You are
Yes, sir.
almost there.
Yes, sir. So x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 will
Okay,
be 1
just hold on. Let me write. X to the power
4
4
plus 2x square plus 1
plus 1
bracket.
bracket.
No, this is another bracket.
Oh, this is one bracket.
Whole square.
4
So,
square
minus 2a square.
minus
2a square. 2x square, sorry.
What I'm writing is it correct?
Minus in the center, sir. Minus in the center.
Okay. Okay.
Between the bracket.
Then
Sir, so just a second.
anybody else?
Yes, sir. X square plus 1.
X square. What I
Plus
have?
1.
I mean, don't till now, or should I rub, or should I continue after this? You tell me.
Continue, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll continue. Tell me.
X square plus 1
X square plus 1
whole square
whole square
minus
minus.
root 2x whole square.
Yes, yes. This is, I was expecting somebody will tell me. Now, see, we have done till here. Perfect. Now, x4 plus 1. How to factorize this? x4, Banupia said, see, you can write like this, right? But how? Why this? So, for this, x4 plus 1. Can you write x square? Can you write x4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus 2x square? I have added and subtracted, isn't it? So the equation remains same. X to the power 4 plus 1 remains same. Now this combination, can you write it as x to the power? This is a. I'll put one thing in between. A square plus 2 into x square into 1 plus 1 square minus 2x square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is what? X square. B is what? 1. So a square plus 1 the whole square we have written. But left out is what? Minus 2x square. But we have to make something square form. So 2 can be written as under root 2 can be written as under root 2 into under root 2, which is what? Under root 2 square. So under root 2x the whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. X square, a square minus b square. How can you write? Is it clear? Or is it bouncer? Please raise your hand. Not clear. I will continue again. I will and make you understand. Is it clear?
Sir, explain one more time, no, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you tell again?
Okay. X to the power 4 plus 1. This we have to factorize. Okay, okay, we'll factorize. We can we write x to the power 4 plus 1 as x to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2, and I'm introducing this term and this term. I'm adding 2x square and I'm subtracting 2x square. Any doubt till this place?
No, sir. No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Now, can you write this x square the whole square plus 2x square into 1 plus 1 square minus 2x square? Can you write it like this?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubts? Now, can you see this is A, this is B. Can you write x square plus 1 the whole square minus 2x square? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, a square minus 2x square, but it is not whole x square because 2 is different than x square. So we have to make something so that we can write whole square. So 2 can be written as under root 2 the whole square.
Yes, sir.
X square plus 1 the whole square minus under root 2 x the whole square.
Yes, sir.
A square minus b square form.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. I will get back to you this question. Anybody I can ask you in this session only if you have understood. And now this is factorization of into this and this is the factorization of this one.
Sir, can you explain from the previous step again?
Previous which step? This one.
Yeah, after that.
After that means Prithvi, come again.
Sir,
Which step
from
you
X.
are? I have done this step. I have factorized this one. This is the factorization of this one, and this is the factorization of this. I mean, this is the factorization of this one. So which one you want? Prithvi.
So factorization of x, x4 plus 1.
I'm not able to understand Prithvi. Which part you want? This part or this part?
Sir, the second one, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
I am just now I explained.
Sir,
Which step you have not understood? You are taking a big pause. Now this was very good question. Now 36. 36. Don't you think there's something very much like this?
Sir, after that term, we can take plus 4 and minus 4. Like x to the power 4 plus 4 by x to the power 4. Then plus 4.
Where you are? After this.
Oh, sir, 36th question you said.
36. That's what I'm. 36th question is x to the power 4 plus 4 by x to the power 4.
So, we'll add 4 and then subtract.
First, everyone has written this. Should I rub or anyone writing?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Done?
So,
Yes, Ashish?
So 1 to 10, then which ones?
25, 26.
25, 26.
And after that, type 2 is 27 to 35 and 44 to 50. Same type. Done, Prithvi?
yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Rashi, come.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, first we take x square to the power square, like to the power 2 plus 2 by x square to the power 2.
Hmm.
Uh, so then we can add 4 and then subtract 4 plus 4 minus 4.
Okay.
So we take the first 3 terms in a big
Explain
bracket.
them why you did. Why you did. Explain everyone.
Sir,
You can
Sir.
say,
Sir,
hmm,
sir, I cannot see the screen.
not able to see the screen. What happened?
No, sir. Sir, it's just blank and it's written.
So you go out
same
and
page.
come in. You go out of the meeting and come back again. Others, can
Okay,
you
sir.
see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Siddharth, you go back out of the meeting and
Yes,
come
sir.
in. Then it will be
Okay,
clear.
sir.
X square. Yeah, tell me, Rashi. You are supposed to do this way, right?
Yeah.
So why you are doing this way? Because when you will expand this, it is something like plus 4. That is 2 into x to power 2 into 1 by x square. This gone. Sorry, 2x square.
2x
This is equal to x to power 4 plus 4x4 plus 4. And this is 4 is coming extra because this is your question. So you are subtracting 4. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is this step clear to everyone? Please tell me why he is adding and subtracting. Is it clear? Nobody will tell, so I don't understand. Okay. So you have done this way. Okay. Now,
Next, x square plus 2x square, 2 by x square, the whole square minus 2 square. So that's in a square minus b square format. So x square plus 2 by x square plus 2 and x square minus 2 by x square.
no, x square plus 2 by x square
Okay.
minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down.
You say me in the 3C which questions to do because I don't have any more doubts.
Rashi, you are telling.
Yes, sir.
So start 3C, middle term splitting.
Sir, like which question should I do?
1 to 10, 25, 26. And then second set I will tell you. 36, is it clear to everyone?
So,
So 34 question. Again, anybody who can give an attempt, 34 question. Who can? Nomination for 34. Aditya. I'm not able to hear you.
So
Yes, sir.
You want to solve 34?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
So first we can write it as x square plus 1 by x square
Hmm.
minus 2 minus 3.
-2.
2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1.
Why you are doing it?
So because if we add minus 2 and minus 1, it is minus 3. So we are just basically breaking minus 3.
So I will, okay, that this is correct. So to make everyone understand, I will do some other way. Not same way, but how, let me explain then.
Yes, sir.
Guys, x square plus 1 by x square minus 3. Okay? So we have to, if you see this type, x square and 1 by x square, something like this, it should come in your mind that something you have to add and something you have to subtract. So if I make it x square, x minus 1 by x, the whole square, I will write it like this. So this means what? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Correct? This gone. What is left out? X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Correct? This expansion is this one. So can we write it as x square plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 1. Can we write it like this, which Aditya did? Now,
Yes, sir, and minus 1 square. A square minus b square.
now this is in the form of a square minus, you can
B square.
1, you can write this one. So a plus b into a minus b. Got it? '29th question. I think many of you will nominate yourself. 29th question. Some new hands I want to see. Raise your hand for your nomination. 29th question. Who will solve?
so can you tell the question?
Question should be in front of you. No one. No one. Others. What others are doing? 29th question. Or do you want me to call? Sia.
Sir, can I solve?
No, wait. I will pick now. Everyone has written. Those who couldn't solve it. Have you written it? Should I rub? So 29th question. 1 plus 2ab minus a square plus b square. This is the question. Yes, Sahil.
Oh, I got it.
Vishal, mute your mic. Sahil? Dia? Am I like a dumpy sitting here? I'm calling you guys and you don't feel like responding also.
So can I try?
I've called you, Dia.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So sir, is equal to 1 minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we get 1
How
square.
you got this one? How you got this one?
Sir, I rearrange the terms, sir.
How? What is the rearrangement?
So I took the a square and the b square out of
Here
the
it
bracket.
is in bracket, Diya,
Yeah.
and minus is outside. Tell me, Diya, come quick.
So I'm opening the bracket, so minus a square. So it will be
What
like
about
minus a square.
it is?
It is minus a square.
And
It will be plus b square.
plus b square.
Yes, sir.
So I have to now teach you, Diya, कि minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus. This I have to tell you now. Huh? I have to tell you that this is minus, so minus into plus, minus, you write minus. Minus into plus, minus, you write minus. At this stage, I have to tell you this. Why you don't know that when you are opening the bracket and the minus is outside, the sign of all the terms will change.
Yes, sir.
So now every time in 9, 10, 11, 12, we'll have to tell you like this. Now you have gone out of that stage. It should be automatically done. Tell me now.
Is equal to 1 square plus minus bracket open a minus b the whole square.
Why a minus b the whole square? How? How?
So because a and b are repeated in the
So
question.
this is minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. How it
So
can
sir,
be
we
a
get the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b.
so a square a minus b the whole square, what is the formula?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
And here it is minus a square minus b square and plus 2ab. These two are not matching. Not matching. How can you write like this? Tell me, Diya. You have to tell 1, take minus common. Take minus common. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you write 1 minus a minus b the whole square. You cannot directly write from here to here. Understood? Now
Yes,
is it
sir.
matching with this
Yes, sir.
expansion?
Yes,
now
sir.
you write 1 plus a minus b, 1 minus a minus b, then 1 plus a minus b, 1 minus a plus b. Twenty-eighth question.
Sir, can I
What?
try?
Huh?
I would like to do it.
Okay. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Twenty-eighth question is x cubed minus 5x square minus x plus 5. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So we take the common x square out
X square out. Okay.
and x minus 5.
X minus 5.
Then minus 1.
Hmm.
x minus 5.
Yes.
X minus 5 and x square
Hmm.
minus 1. X square
Oh.
minus 1 can be written as x square, like x minus 5 and x plus 1 into x minus 1. Thank you, sir.
#21. Who has asked this question? Can you just raise your hand? Yes, Vijay. 21 question. Now can you give a try? It is a plus b the whole cube. Don't get fear of this cube. Another side, can you a plus 18th question, na? 20th question, 21st question. 21st question is a plus b the whole cube minus a minus b. Looks difficult, but it is very easy. Don't have a fear of this cube. Can you write it like this? Minus you take common. What is left out? No? What is common? Correct. Got it? Vijay, I'm not audible. You're not audible. Got it? Not audible. 18th question. Anyone? Vijay? Who has done 18th question? Who wants to nominate himself for 18th question? Aditya, Vijay. Vijay, you want to solve 18th? Vijay, you're not audible. Sorry. Apart from Aditya, anyone wants? I mean, anybody else? Aristan?
Sir,
Yes. Can you solve 18th question?
sir,
Can you solve 18th question?
sir, I can try.
Okay. Okay. Give a try. Let me check who is confident.
Sir, we just write the question on the book. Sir,
18th question is 4a square minus 4b square plus 4a plus 1. It's very clearly visible what you have to do. Yes, Aristan, you can tell me what to be done here, what all groupings required.
sir, we can group A and B.
A and B, where there is no A and B.
Wrong, I'm wrong.
Tejan, any clue for this question? See, I can solve all the question. I can give you solution, but that will not help you. You have to, with what all things I am doing, you have to apply. This is very easy question. Can't you see some combination, some squares, some minus? Wait. Ashish, have you done, are you starting 3C?
Yes, sir. Done 3C.
3C, question number now. Next is question number, set of question is 27 to 35 and
Sir, done.
44 to 50.
Done.
44 to 50 also done.
No, 44 to 50 I have to do. 27 to
Huh.
35 done.
44 to 50.
Sir, can I solve?
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, now first we can rearrange it.
Tell me. That's the rearrangement.
4a square
4a square
plus 4a
plus 4a
plus 1
plus 1.
minus 4b square.
Okay.
First one, I mean first three terms we can like group it.
Okay.
It's in the form a plus b whole square.
Okay. What is a and b? Tell me what I have to write.
Sir, so 4a square we can write it as 2a to the power whole square plus 2 into 2a plus 1 square into 1 square minus 4b square. No. Minus 2b to the power whole square.
Okay. Now.
So that will become 2a plus 1 to the power whole square minus 2b to the power whole square. 2a plus 1 plus 2b into 2a plus 1 minus 2b.
Very good, Prithvi. Very good. Now explain to whole class how you got this idea of rearrangement. What made you feel ki, okay, this can be arranged? Tell me.
Sir,
Tell to everyone.
Sir, I thought like 4a square and like 4a, like if we like rearrange it, we can.
But how? Why this combination? Why this combination? Because what was in this question, what was coming in your mind? Okay, this is also whole square, 2a the whole square, this is 2b the whole square, this is 4a and plus 1. But if I write 2a square plus 2b square, you are not getting 12. So, okay, if we take out this, then this 3 can be together and this is minus. So minus something a square minus b square will come. So you have to think like that. Okay, minus some squares are coming. And this 3, can we combine it? Yes, we can combine and we'll find this one. So this should be your approach. Minus some squares are coming. So you take it out. It will be in the form of a square minus b square. Left 3. You see whether it is coming. If there are 3 terms, means what? It will be a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. You have to see. You have to rearrange. It is not 2 plus 2 is always 4. You have to rearrange and make it 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, Prithvi. 18 done. 16th question. 4a square minus 9b square. Okay, I'll write it here.
Sir, can I try?
Wait. I have to see. 16, 4a square minus 9b square minus plus 4a plus 1. Who wants to try?
Sir, me, Bhanupriya.
No, wait. Let others. See something. Anyone? Otherwise, I'm going to pick you now.
Sir, this is.
Wait, Prithvi, we know you also are not going to solve this. Those who have not solved any of the question today can raise hand and they have to solve this question. And if you are guys are done, move to 3C. Those who are done with 3B.
Sir, could you tell which all are the questions?
Question 1 to 10. You first complete 1 to 10 and 25, 26.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Please raise your hand for this question. No. Aristan,
Sir,
can you solve this question?
okay. So first we have to rearrange.
हाँ
4a square
हाँ
plus 4a
हाँ
minus 9b square
हाँ.
plus 1.
Okay.
4a square can be written as
Mehak,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
So we can do the grouping.
Huh.
4a square minus
Okay.
9b square
4a square minus 9b square
in bracket
bracket
minus, so minus out,
minus out. Okay. Minus out
bracket
bracket
2a
2a.
uh,
Okay.
plus 3b.
Plus 3b.
So then we can factorize.
No, how this 2a plus 3b has come? Can you tell me?
I guess you have copied the question wrong.
Hey, 16 questions, 4a square minus 9b square. Oh, okay. Minus 16, achha, that is different question. Minus 2a minus 2a minus 3b. Okay. Yeah, tell
sir,
me.
can I tell now?
No, wait. Let Mehak solve it.
Okay,
Tell me,
sir.
Mehak.
So next
Mehak?
step.
हाँ
So then we can factorize 4a square.
हाँ
That will be 2a square minus 9b square.
2a square minus 9b square
3b square
3b square
minus
हाँ
2a plus 3b.
now tell me.
So then we can expand 2a minus 3b
Okay.
in bracket 2a plus 3b minus 2a plus 3b. Then 2a plus 3b bracket 2a minus 3b.
Done. Bracket close.
Yes, sir.
Is this answer?
Sir, I think that's the wrong answer.
Wait. I gave you. Let her try. Just tell me. Ananya, Mehak, from this term, you have taken this out. So what is left out? 2a minus 3b.
Minus
From this term, this you have taken out. What is left out? 1. Mehak,
Yes, sir.
understood this? From this term, you have taken this out. Means 2a minus 3b into 2a plus 3b. You have taken 2a plus 3b out. So what is left out? 2a minus 3b, you have written 2a minus 3b. From this term, 2a plus 3b, you have taken 2a plus 3b out. This is gone. What is left out? 1. Minus 1.
Thank you, sir.
Got it?
Sir,
Yes, Ashish.
sir, done.
Done. Have you checked all the answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, wait. CB, now tell me honestly who all have not done till now. Raise your hand, just raise your hand. 3B, who all have not done, raise your hand.
Sir, I'm doing.
No, that's what I'm telling you, raise your hand. I can understand now who all are doing 3B and who all are doing 3C.
Sir, I'm doing 3B, but I can't.
Just raise your hand.
Sir, no, raise hand option is not there, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. You are doing 3B, so okay. ठीक है.
Sir,
So
even I'm doing 3B.
ठीक है. Okay. So start doing 3B quickly. You would have seen many solutions like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 questions we have done it here only. Start. So 3B you do, complete it, and now 3C you guys are doing. And
Sir,
now
but-
Ashish is telling I have done this one. So Ashish, for you, next set of question.
Yes, sir.
Hey Ashish, I'll just give you a hint of that question. Others who are doing 3B, please, sorry, 3C. Those who are doing 3C, listen to me, this type of question. First, you know, middle term splitting, for that you are doing those questions. This is third type of question where fraction comes. Okay. So in this type of question, what you are supposed to do? Take the LCM.
LCM.
12. So here 24x square minus 10x plus 1. 24x square minus 10x plus 1. Now can you factorize this?
Yes, sir.
Simple factorize it. That will be your answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Ashish, do question
sir.
number. Now you can do question number 51 to 58.
51 to 58.
58, yes.
Sir, I'm having doubt in the question which has root in the middle term.
Arif, that
Me
is
also.
different. Wait a second. What I told you, did I give you any question where you have roots as of now?
Yes, sir. 1 to 10.
Yes, sir, 1 to 10.
Yes, sir. The sixth question.
Okay. So,
The
okay,
sixth and
ठीक है. अच्छा, 6 question and 10 question you have root.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. That we'll discuss tomorrow. That we'll
Okay,
discuss
sir.
tomorrow. Okay. Keep it as
Yes.
mark. I will discuss it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So everyone, those who are doing 3B, tomorrow it should be over. Those who are doing 3C, question 1 to 10, right? I'm writing it here. 3C, 1 to 10, 25, 26, 25 to 30, 25 to 35, 44 to 50, and 51 to 58. Please write it. Out of this, we will discuss your doubts tomorrow. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And those who are doing 3B, you have to finish 3B tomorrow. ठीक है? We'll end the session now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.